In our beginning class, we did a starter step and a basic throw out. We're going to show you what that looks like. Okay, it starts like this. I'm going to count it out first, and then I'll have Dick break it down.
This is from closed position, including the throw out.
Okay. Triple step, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. We'll show you from several different angles. Triple step, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. I'll have Dick show his footwork from this position.
Okay.
Triple step, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. I'll do mine. Triple step, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. So we're going to break that down for you a little bit.
Okay, leaders, I'm in closed position. Left hand is low for the first triple step. We're going to triple to the left, triple to the right. Has no numbers, it just goes triple step. Now on the way back, I raise the hand up into our dance center because I'm going to lead from here, and we triple back. So to repeat that, low is the beginning, triple step, triple step.
And notice he's in a swing hold here.
Yes, I'm going to swing hold, not a ballroom hold like this. So I'm going to rock back. The partner's going to rock back too because I'm going to lead by pushing that direction. She'll push against me a little bit and give me resistance. I'm going to go 1, 2. So that's the 1, 2. So I've rocked back. Now I'm going to send her out
3 and 4, 5 and 6.
Okay, so again, we'll do it from here. Triple step, rock, step down, triple in place for the leader, triple in place for the leader.
Why don't you show your footwork real quick?
Okay, footwork for us, the leader. Low is cool, triple step. On the way back, raise this up, triple step. From here, I lead the rock step, rock and step down. Notice this hand went forward to guide her out. I stay in place while she goes to the end of her slot. Triple step, and I'm in third dance position with the right foot behind the forefoot.
So for my footwork, he has me here, and when he starts with this hand low, triple step. He takes his hand up here. I'm going to feel pressure here. He pushes against me, I push against him. And so he's going to go 1, and on 2, I'm going to feel a lead for me to go forward. And as I feel that lead, I'm going to take my hand that was on his arm right here, I'm going to take it out. So it'll be triple step, 1, 2. I swam with this hand out, 3 and 4, 5 and 6.
So we'll show you again what that looks like.
I want to do it this way so you can see his lead right here.
Okay, low is cool with my left hand. I go
triple step. He rocks me back. 1. On count 2, he's going to push me a teeny bit this way.
That was 1.
2.
This is 2.
There you can see that.
You'll see from the other direction, she took her arm off my shoulder.
3 and 4, 5 and 6.
I want to do it the opposite way so you can watch her hand come on.
Triple step. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6.
There you have it. That is the starter step with a simple throw out.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
2.5 minutes.